what you want to. Please don't be polite.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a collage wall redo. I've been wanting to redo this collage wall for a long time now. I felt like it was just like a big jumble of really big pieces. We have this really big blank wall right here in our living room that leads to our hallway, and I always feel like a collage wall it needs to be there. It fits there. So I got tired of looking at the other one. I will insert a picture right here of what it used to look like. You've probably seen it in my videos a couple times. So I got a couple new pieces from Hobby Lobby and a local decor store here in town. And I'm really excited to redo it.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when...
Real quickly, I'm going to tell you where everything is from and the price if I remember it for you guys. That way, if you like some of these items, you can go pick them up. So we'll start right here. This first item was $14 and it was picked up at a local store. This is from Hobby Lobby and it was $4.50. This is from Hobby Lobby and it was also $4.50. This is from Michael's and I just painted it white and roughed it up. I think this was probably a couple dollars, not too much. This is just a canvas print. We made this. I just took an extra piece of wood, I stained it, and then this is my husband's handprint, mine, and then my daughter, and then I painted on here, which I really wish I wouldn't have, our last name. So I think I'm going to sand this off eventually, but for now I just covered it with tape. This is from a local flea market type thing. This is from Hobby Lobby. I think this was $10. This is from a local store. This was only $10. These two baskets, this one's from a thrift store. This one's from Hobby Lobby for $2.50. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was $15. This high sign was from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.50. This is from, what is this? This doesn't say where it's from. I think I got this from maybe Marshall's a long time ago for $10. And I'm gonna need to put a sideways picture in here. And then this wreath was from Hobby Lobby or Walmart. It's just one of those grapevine wreaths. And then I put some greenery around it from Michael's. So that's where everything is from. Okay guys, there it is. I'd love to say that I laid everything out on the floor and then it turned out perfect and it perfectly transferred to the wall, but that is just not the reality of the situation. When I decorate, like you saw, I'm a person that puts it up, tears it apart, puts it up, tears it apart. I'm just one of those people and I keep rearranging and rearranging and rearranging until I like it. I wish there was a way where I didn't have to put all these holes in my wall, but thank God for spackle, am I right? So I'm really, really happy with the way this turned out. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I did take this wreath, where is it? I did take this wreath off the window off my mantle, but I will be getting a boxwood wreath most likely to put right there. That's just going to be a fill-in. And then I took the wreaths off the 2 windows above my couch if you watch my channel. And I think I'm going to do more of like a garland there just to brighten it up a little bit more. So that's where we are. I hope this video helped you guys out on how to build a collage wall. I find that lots of different shapes and smaller pieces and bigger pieces and pictures and not a lot of things that say a whole lot of words. I think a few pieces in there that say a few words are super cute, but it gets overwhelming if all of your pieces say something on them. You know, that's a lot of reading in one little spot. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up as well as hit subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you here. And if you are subscribed, make sure and turn on your notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye!